Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20908. Very nice 2013 Hyster S50FT. It's a 5,000 pound capacity cushion tire forklift. Has brand new traction, drive and steer cushion tires. It's equipped with a triple stage mast. Does approximately 189 inches worth of max lift height. This unit does have side shift carriage. It's equipped with the DuraMatch transmission. Awesome running 2.4 liter GM Vortec LP gas engine. Wade's gonna run it up for us. It's got your 42-inch pallet forks, recent repairs, new tune-up kit, plus a new PM service, and a brand new paint job. Come check out this forklift or any other forklift online at betterforklift.com or at either store in Denver or in Fort Collins. We appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.